सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video we are going to solve exercise 10.4 problem number 7. Look at the question. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius of its top is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the rim. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, are dropped into the vessel, 1 by 4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. Okay, right? So first of all, understand the question carefully. So given a vessel which is in the form of inverted cone. Inverted cone is nothing but, this is the cone. Okay, generally we draw cone like this. Okay, so inverted means it will be like this. Okay, this is the cone given. It is not a cone actually, it is a cone shaped vessel. Okay, right. Its height is 8 centimeter. Okay, so suppose here it is radius and this is the height. It is given 8 centimeter height and radius of its top is nothing but, here it is, it is given 5 centimeter radius. It is filled with water up to the rim. So it is filled with water. Okay, it is filled with water up to the rim means up to this top. Okay, right. It is having, it is containing full of water. When lead shots, nothing but lead balls. Okay, lead balls, each of which is a sphere. So lead balls or lead shots is in the shape of sphere. Okay, sphere balls of lead. Okay, or each of 0.5 radius. Okay, making little bit larger here. This is a lead ball or lead shot. Each of is of 0.5 centimeter radius. 0.5 centimeter radius. Okay, I'm making little bit larger here. It should be small. Okay, right. Or dropped into the vessel. These lead shots dropped into vessel. Okay, right. These are the, okay, wait, I will change the color here. These are the lead shots which is dropped into the vessel, right? So when we drop into the vessel, the water will flows out, isn't it? The water will flows out. Here also same happened. If I draw lead shots into that vessel, the water flows out. How much water flows out here? 1 by 4 of the water. So 1 by 4 volume of water flows out here. Okay, yes, this is the water flows out. What we have to find the number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. Okay, we have to find the number of lead shots. Okay, right. This is a given information. We have to find the number of lead shots with using information, right? So first of all, consider the number of lead shots be n. Okay, right. So each lead shots is in the form of sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter. Okay, is it clear? Right, next. So how much water flows out here? Yeah, how much quantity of balls we dropped into that vessel, that much quantity of water flows out, isn't it? Archimedes law. Is it clear? How much quantity of lead shots we dropped into that vessel, that much quantity of water will flows out. This is a general principle, we know that. Yeah, so here the volume of lead shots dropped into vessel is equals to how much water flows out, that is given already here. What is that? Yeah, 1/4 of the water. So volume of 1/4 part of the vessel. Yeah, okay. So what is the vessel shape here? Nothing but a cone. Yeah, write down in bracket cone, or we can write volume of the 1/4 part of the conical vessel also. Okay, right. Yeah, is it clear now? Right. So I'm going to erase. So remember this statement here which I have written here. The volume of the lead shots dropped into vessel is equals to volume of the 1/4 part of the conical vessel. Yeah, what we have to find here? Right, first of all we have to find the, yeah, we have to find here volume of the lead shot, each lead shot, as well as volume of the conical vessel, isn't it? Is it clear? Right. So remember this statement. I'm going to erase this. Okay, right. So volume of the lead shot, in bracket write down sphere it is. Okay, what is the volume of the sphere? 4/3 pi r cube, given r is equals to 0.5 centimeter. Okay, so 4/3 into pi is nothing but 22/7 into r value 0.5 centimeter whole cube. Okay, I'm going to simplify here. 4/3 into 22/7 into 0.5 centimeter into 0.5 centimeter into 0.5 centimeter, because 0.5 centimeter whole cube we can write 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Is it clear? Right. Next, yeah, 4/3 into 22/7 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Yeah, forget about this 0 point. Yeah, what is the 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5, nothing but 125 centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube. Yeah, we have a decimal point 1 2 3. Yeah, write the, take the decimal point in front of 3 digits, 1 2 3. Yeah, it is nothing but 0.125 centimeter cube. This is the volume of, yeah, volume of one lead shot is equals to 4/3 into 22/7 into 0.125 centimeter cube. Yeah, this is the volume of one lead shot. Yeah, how many lead shots we have? We have to find actually that, yeah, we have considered is n. Okay, so that for n lead shots the volume becomes What is that? N into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.125 centimeter cube. Is it clear? So for each lead shot the volume is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.125 centimeter cube. For n lead shots we have to multiply with n into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.125 centimeter cube. Is it clear? Yeah. Consider it is equation 1. Right, what we have to find next? We have to find the volume of the conical vessel first. Right, yeah, volume of the conical vessel, that is nothing but, what is the volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h, given h is equals to 8 centimeter and r is equals to 5 centimeter. Is it clear? Right, I am going to erase this. Yeah, remember this thing. Right, so 1 by 3 into, yeah, substituting the values, 22 by 7 into r square, nothing but 5 centimeter whole square, into h is nothing but 8 centimeter. So, yeah, okay, 1 by, this becomes 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Okay, right. Next what becomes 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 5s are 25, 25 8s are 200, 200 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square into centimeter, centimeter cube. This is the volume of the conical vessel. So actually what we need to find? We need to find the 1 by 4th volume of this conical vessel, because that is equals to the lead shots volume. How many lead shots we have dropped into that? That is the volume of that. Okay, right. So remember this. Yeah, what is that I am writing here? N into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.125 centimeter cube. I am writing here just for the sake of remembering. Right. Yeah, this is the volume of, this is the volume of vessel, conical vessel. Okay, so 1 by 4th volume of conical vessel, that is nothing but we have to multiply with 1 by 4 this. Okay, so 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 200 centimeter cube. Okay, yeah, consider it is equation 2. So we have already written just before, what is that? The volume of lead shots dropped into vessel is equals to 1 by 4th volume of vessel, isn't it? That is nothing but equation 1 is equals to equation 2. Okay, yeah, this is the equation 1 I have written here. So I am going to equal both of them. What is that? So that is n into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.125 centimeter cube is equals to, this is the volume of the vessel, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 200 centimeter cube. Okay, right. Yeah, I am going to erase. Right, so take this, all these terms into RHS side. So n is as it is, Yeah, 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into 200 centimeter cube as it is, and this 3 goes to numerator into 7 goes to also numerator by, and this 4 here and 22 here, okay, and 0.125 centimeter cube here. Is it clear? Yeah, I think we need to write like this. Yeah, okay, next step we can write like that. Yeah, 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 200 centimeter cube into 3 into 7 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 22 into 1 by 0.125 centimeter cube. Is it clear? Just I have divided the denominator. Okay, right. So here, is it clear? Right. So 3 gets cancelled, 22 gets cancelled. Okay, right. Next 7 gets cancelled, centimeter cube gets cancelled. What are the remaining? Yeah, 200 is remaining in the numerator. 200 by 4 into 4 into 4, 16 into 0.125. This we can write 125 by 1000, isn't it? Is it clear? Right. Let's see here. So n is equals to 200 into this 1000 goes to numerator by 16 into 125. Yeah, 25 5s are 25 8s are 8 1s are 8 2s are 2 1s are 2 500s are. Okay, so 5 1s are 500s are. Okay, what we got? Yeah, 100. So n is equals to 100 we got. This n is nothing but number of lead shots, nothing but lead balls. Okay, right. Yeah, okay. So the number of lead balls or lead shots dropped into conical vessel is equals to 100. Okay, how many balls we dropped? 100 balls we dropped there. Okay, right. This is the solution of problem number 7. Okay, right on.